Are you tired of people constantly seeing when you're online on Instagram? Whether you're trying to stay low-key or just want some extra privacy, turning off your activity status is a quick fix, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, open the Instagram app. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner of your screen to open the menu. From here, scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Now, select Show Activity Status. Inside this section, you'll see an option called Show Activity Status. Simply switch it off. Once this is disabled, your followers won't be able to see when you're online or when you were last active. It's a simple change that gives you more control over your privacy. And that's it. You're now completely invisible when it comes to your Instagram activity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick and useful tech tips, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.